In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find and share your Uber referral code using the Uber Eats platform. This is a fantastic way to introduce your friends to Uber Eats while earning some perks for yourself. Let's dive right in and get started. First, you'll want to open up your web browser and head over to the Uber Eats website. Simply type www.ubereats.com into your address bar and hit enter. The Uber Eats homepage will load, and you'll see a variety of delicious options for food delivery in your area. If this is your first time visiting the site, you might be prompted to allow location access. This helps Uber Eats show you the best options nearby, so go ahead and allow it. Now that you're on the Uber Eats homepage, look to the top left corner of your screen where you'll find what is known as the hamburger menu, recognizable by its 3 stacked horizontal lines. Go ahead and click on this icon. This will open a side menu filled with various options and settings you can explore. It's here that you'll find the settings you need to access your referral code. Within the sidebar menu, you'll see an option labeled Invite Friends. Click on this and it will take you to a new page specifically dedicated to Uber's referral program. This section is designed to help you easily share your Uber experience with your friends and family. On the Invite Friends page, you'll see your unique referral code prominently displayed. To the right of your referral code, there's an option to copy the link. Click Copy to save it to your clipboard. With this link, you can invite friends and earn rewards once they complete their first order on Uber Eats. Keep in mind that the rewards structure can vary, so it's a good idea to check Uber Eats' current promotion details to see what benefits you and your friend will receive. With the link copied, head over to your favorite social media platform, be it Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, or even email, and paste the link into a new post. You can add a short message about your experience with Uber Eats, highlighting your favorite dish or restaurant. This will make the invitation more enticing to your friends. Sharing on social media is an efficient way to reach a larger audience, and making your post engaging will increase the chances that your friends will take you up on the offer. And there you have it. You've successfully found and shared your Uber Eats referral code. It's a simple yet effective way to enjoy Uber Eats benefits while spreading the love with those around you. Thanks for watching and happy sharing.